Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the addition without carrying over. So, last part is additions of three numbers. Now, let's say in cupboard they have kept story books 21 and picture books 14 and songs books 3. So, let's see here. While writing this, we have to write TU means tens units in vertical column, in vertically. So, in tens we have written here 2, in units we have written 1, plus 14. In tens we have written 1 and in units we have written 4, plus in unit columns we have written 3. So, while adding this, we begin with unit columns. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So, in 10 columns, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, means 3 times 8 units. The answer is 38. So, 21 plus 14 plus 3 is equal to 38. There are 38 books in cupboards. Altogether, in cupboards there are 38 books in cupboard. So now let's see addition. Let us do some additions for three numbers. So here it is an example. So see here. First we have to do this. Write this in vertically columns. So tens and units. So in tens we have written 2. And in units we have written 5 plus 30. In tens we have to write 3. In units we have to write 0 plus 32. In tens unit you have to write 3 and in units you have to write 2. So it begins with unit columns. 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 2 is 7. In 10 columns 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So, in 10 columns, 8 times 7 units. That means 87. Next, again we have to write TU, means tens and units in vertical arrangement. So, 25 we have written in tens 2, in units 5, plus in unit columns we have written 2, plus 1 we have written in unit columns. So let's begin with unit column first. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. In 10 columns 2, so we have written here 2. 2 times 8 units. That means 28. Next example. We have to write this HPU in vertically arrangement. So H 100 tens units. So 453. So in 100 we have written 4, in tens 5, in units 3. Plus 104, in 100 columns we have written 1, in tens we have written 0, in units we have written 4, plus in 100 columns 112, in 100 columns we have written 1, in tens we have written 1, and in unit columns we have written 2. So, while adding we begin with unit columns. So, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Then same way in 10 columns 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 1 is 6. In 100 columns 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 600, 6 tens, 9 units. That means 669. Another example. HTU. You have to write HTU. 100 tens units. So 105. So in 100 we have written 1. In tens 0. In unit columns we have written 5. Plus 3. In unit columns we have written 3. Plus 20. In 10 columns we have written 2. In unit columns we have written 0. So while adding, first we begin with unit columns. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. So in 10 columns, 0 plus 2 is 2. And in 100 columns, 1 plus 0 is 1. So 100, 2 tens, 8 units. That means 128. Another example, in the same way, you have to write here HTU, means 100 tens unit in vertical arrangement. So 104, we have to write in 100 columns 1, in 10 columns we have to write 0, and in unit columns you have to write 4. Plus 2, in unit columns you have to write 2, plus in unit columns you have to write 3. So in unit columns 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So in 10 columns it is 0. So it will be a 0. In 100 columns 1 plus is 1. So 100, 0 tens, 9 units. That means 109. Another example. First we have to write in HTU in particular arrangement. So 202 means you have to write in 100 columns 2. In tens 0. In unit columns you have to write 2. Plus 34. In 10 columns you have to write 3. In unit columns you have to write 4. Plus 11. So again you have to write in 10 columns you have to write 1, and in unit columns you have to write 1. So by writing we begin with unit column first. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. In 10 columns 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. In 100 columns 2. So we have to write here 2. Have you understood? 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 7 units. That means 247. 247. So in this way you have to solve this exercise in your notebook and also solve your reliable workbook also. Thank you.